Verb forms క్రియాపద రూపములు. Root or stem form V1. Present tense singular form and plural form. Past tense V2. Past participle form V3. Present participle form V plus ing. Future tense form will or shall or will plus root form. Examples: arise, arises, arise, arose, arisen, arising, will arrive. Note, singular form has s at the end. Arise, arises. In the same way, past tense form is arose. Arise, arose. Vowel I becomes O in past tense. Arise, arose. This vowel change is important. Note this. Next, beat, beats, beat, beat, beaten, beating. Bite, bites, bite, bit, bitten. Biting, will bite. Come, comes, come, came, come, coming, will come. Note, vowel change in the past tense form. Break, breaks, break, broke, broken, breaking, will break. Here also, note the change in the vowel form. Break, break, broke, brok. Choose, chooses, choose, chose, chosen, choosing, will choose. Draw, draws, draw, drew, drawn, drawing, will drive. Drive, drives, drive, drove, driven, driving, will drive. Note the vowel change. Drive, drive, past tense drove, drove. Note the vowel change in the previous verbs also. Fly, flies, fly, flew, flown, flying, will fly. Eat, eats, eat, ate, eaten, eating, will eat. Give, gives, give, gave, given, giving, will give. Forget, forgets, forget, forgot, forgotten, forgetting, will forget. Like this. Now note, past tense and the past participle form, PAP form, ends with en or n. When such verbs end with en or n in past participle form, they are called irregular verbs or strong verbs. Right? Let me complete. Rise, rises, rise, rose, risen. Rising, will rise. Speak, speaks, speak, spoke, spoken. Speaking, will speak. Throw, throws, throw, threw, thrown, throwing, will throw. Begin, begins, begin, began, begun, beginning, will begin, etc. Now, we will go to other form of verbs. Root form, again present tense singular and plural form, past tense V2 form, past participle V3, present participle V plus ing, future tense form shall or will plus V1 root form. Example: arrest, arrests, arrest, arrested, arrested, arresting, will arrest. Here note, ed is as in past tense form and past participle form. Once again, let me repeat. In past tense form, that is V2 form, and past participle V3 form, ed is added to the root form. Once again, let me repeat. Arrest, arrests, arrest, arrested, arrested, arresting, will arrest. Alight, alights, alight, alighted, alighted, alighting, will alight. Boost, boosts, boast, boasts, boast, boasted, boasted, boasting, will boast. Dress, dresses, dress, dressed, dressed, dressing, will dress. Dust, dusts, dust, dusted, dusted, dusting, will dust. Earn, earns, earn, earned, earned, earning, will earn. Learn, learns, learn, learnt, learnt or learned, learning, will learn. Roast, roasts, roast, roasted, roasted, roasting, will roast. Note, past tense and past participle forms ends with ed. Such verbs are called regular verbs or weak verbs. Right? Note, Present tense singular ends with s or es or ies. We use singular verb with singular subject in simple present or present indefinite tense. There is no plural form in past and future tenses. Note: exception. Only be form verbs have plural form in past tense. Look at this. Root form be, V1. Present tense singular form is and am. Present tense plural form are. Past tense, we have both singular and plural in past tense. Singular form is was, plural form is were. Past participle form V3 is been. Present participle being. Future tense will be. Right. You will learn more about present tense, past tense, and future tense uses in my next lessons. So please don't miss to watch my English grammar lessons. Thank you.